20 girls you had in Lahore?
Nee.
Let me just show you the washroom here. This is Pakistani bathroom. Very, very clean. And this is English bathroom. Also very, very clean. Ah, बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम वालेकुम सलाम क्या हाल है क्या हाल है शुक्र अल्लाह शुक्रिया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आइस wait you are in bed with them you were in bed with the shimmer cold drink cold no thanks no
He's saying I don't want to leave you.
no you don't, I'm not the shimmer I'm not shimmer very interesting Pakistan can convert from 1 second to the other Go bring water quickly. Okay. Fell out from a train. It's not funny. Hello guys, good morning to you. We are right now at the Lahore Railway Station, the biggest railway station here in the city of Lahore. And this time we are going to experience yet another transportation, a local transportation here in Pakistan, and go exactly like the locals with a train. We are probably taking a train to Peshawar or somewhere, and we are going to experience the real raw experience of a local train, which is only economy, the entire train. No facilities, no kitchens, no bars, no nothing. Just sitting, squeezed together with all the Pakistani local people. Let's go. This is the building. Looks like an ancient building, I would say. All right, we are inside the station. As you can see here, the two very famous figures of Pakistan. This guy was Quaid-e-Azam, the founder of Pakistan, and this guy was Allama Iqbal, I think his name is, and he was the one who brought the idea of separating Pakistan from India before it was a subcontinent. So now we are going to buy tickets and we're going on. All right, we're going?
Yeah, we are going.
All right, let's go.
You look like Boris Johnson.
I look like Boris Johnson. That's a good one.
He's not the Prime Minister anymore though.
Yes, but you live here, right?
I live in Manchester.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Welcome to you.
Yeah, thank you.
And you are vacation now here?
Yeah, but mom lives here in Pakistan.
Oh, nice.
I'm just here to see her.
So, how is Manchester and how is here?
Obviously, big difference, isn't it?
Big difference, yeah. Do you enjoy it?
Family's still there. Yeah, I'm enjoying it here.
Very good. I also enjoy it here.
Hot weather.
Hot, very hot. Yeah, you don't have this in Manchester, never. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, see you.
Good to see you.
Cheers.
Nice. Bye-bye. Okay. There we go. Platform 2. We will go buy tickets first. Okay, we are buying tickets. How much? Kitna? 600. Okay. Hold on. Huh? One person 200. Yes. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? How are you? How are you? I'm Pakistani. Good. 200 each, so it's 600. Yeah. 100 you want? 100.
ये कितने बजे निकलेगी? अच्छा अच्छा किस साइड पे हमें जाना? Okay, come.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. All right, we have a train going out any minute, so we have to run to the other platform. This is our train actually, no? All right. All right, which one is ours? This guy?
And the later we go, the difficult it would be.
Where we go? Here or here? Here or no? Where we go?
Come, Peace. Mr. Peace, come. Come fast, come. Come. Oh my, Mr. Peace. Mr. Peace. Oh, Mr. Peace, be careful. Here.
Oh, wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. MBQ, you're here. All right. Okay. Well, this is it. This is it. Salam alaikum. Okay. Are you good?
Yes.
Speak English?
Not.
Tora? Nay?
No.
You said yes before. Salam alaikum. आपका क्या नाम?
Bilal.
Bilal. अच्छा नाम. And you?
Wasim.
Wasim. Oh, we know these names. Bilal and Wasim. We have the guide of Wasim.
Yes.
And we have
Hey. Where are you from? Lahore?
Not Karachi.
You Karachi? Also Karachi?
Shadarpur.
Huh?
Shadarpur.
Shadarpur?
कराची के रास्ते में आता है
Andruna Sindh.
अच्छा इट्स इन द सिंध प्रोविंस ऑफ पाकिस्तान
Sindh. Sindh province. So how many, kitna hours you have to go?
के साथ.
Train.
कितनी देर लगनी है इस ट्रेन को इसका डिपार्ट हुए
कराची कल 11 बजे.
tomorrow at 11
You'll get to Karachi tomorrow at 11. Whoa, 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 whoa. And you? To Shadpur?
Shadarpur.
Shadarpur. How many
tomorrow
times?
at 8
Tomorrow at 8. Oh, they have a long train. So you're going to sleep here?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Sleep? Sleep one? Sleep two? Nay? Only he sleep?
Yes.
You no sleep?
No.
Sit. Okay. Dosto, dosto?
बस अभी हुआ है.
they just became friends
Ah, acha. Good. All right, we are moving to another platform. Let's see, maybe we find some cool guys. What's the problem? You afraid? Don't worry. Don't you worry. All right. Hello. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
wait yeah good
Yeah, one more. One more. Hold on. It's empty. Totally empty, this cabin. Very empty. Let's find another cabin. Let's go to another cabin. Hello, salam alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम
How are you? Kya haal hai?
खैर
Okay. You have to be very careful. Because, you know, electrically, very good. Let's go. It's all empty. What's going on? Empty train. Some families here. All right, guys, let me just show you the washroom here. Bathroom. This is Pakistani bathroom. Very, very clean. And this is English bathroom. Nobody ever uses it. That's why it looks like this. Also very, very clean. Let's continue. Now we are going actually through a private cabin. Let's see how it looks like. All right. Oh, this is private cabins. Everyone is his private room here. Yeah. Okay, now I understand what private means. Sleep compartment, yeah? Compartment D. Okay. Yeah, here is packed already. Yeah, a lot of people. Salam alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम
All right. Here's packed. Okay, we got to the shop area. Is there a shop area here? Oh, they work here.
careful don't slip it
Yes, yes, yes. Look how he's trying to open this nut. Let's go to the restaurant. Cha. Shukriya. Okay. Oh, nice. 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 Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Fine.
Good. Nice. Nice cabin, man. Very nice.
Wanna drink something?
Why not? Yes, we shall. You want to sit down?
Yeah, we should.
Okay, I'm sitting down. I'm already sitting down. Welcome. Are you?
How Pakistan converts?
Yeah, it's very interesting. Pakistan can convert from one second to the other. Oh, even light. Shukriya. So what do we? Hey, assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. How are you? Kya haal hai? Shukriya, alhamdulillah. Ice.
Ice.
Is filter water or tap water?
Bottle. Cold drink.
Bottle called mineral. Mineral.
बर्फ बनी किससे हुई है? पानी से। सादा पानी से बनी है कि फिल्टर पानी से बनी है?
Filter. Ah, acha. It's filtered water, but you don't want to drink this either. I've seen what's going on in there. Okay, gonna order some drinks. Cool, you know? Unbelievable. You saw those cabins before. Those cabins before, by the way, we are talking about a scorching hot weather today. It's like 41 degrees Celsius. Terribly hot. And here is actually AC. But those cabins have no AC where the people are. They are literally baking and cooking in their sleep or in the seat.
And this is not the luxurious train. Luxurious train is Green Line train.
Yeah.
There, where every cabin is like this.
Right. So it's kind of a surprise to find such a nice restaurant area here with AC, and we feel actually very cool in here. Oh, menu. Very good. Premium lunch. Babel, you look very happy today. What happened?
Air conditioner right now.
Air conditioner feels an AC. Can't believe it. Okay. Cold drink. Cold.
No, thanks.
No?
No, thanks.
We have a good police officer sitting with us from Lahore.
I'm come from Kada. I'm perform my duty in Lahore.
Duty Lahore?
Yeah.
आप उकाड़ा के?
Yes.
Where?
I come from Kada.
Bukhara?
Yeah.
You live there?
Yeah. No. My duty at Cyber Station.
And now you go duty there?
Yeah.
So you move every day?
Move from Lala Musa to Cyber. Every day. Delhi.
Daily?
Yeah.
Daily you have to move on the trains back and forth?
11 to 16 o'clock. 11 to 4 o'clock.
11 in the morning till 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
And then you go home? Nay?
After 1 day duty, 1 day rest, and 1 day perform duty.
What is the duty you do? What is the...
Traveling with escort duty with the train, and we know about that person. What are you doing here? Ticketless person, huh? This robbers, thieves, undisciplined person.
Duty of this train.
Okay.
okay.
For security duty.
Security duty for the train?
Yes.
Like if someone didn't pay ticket, yeah? Somebody robbery or somebody is a thief, pickpocketing,
without tickets.
or somebody without a ticket, yeah, all that. Nice, acha.
Okay.
So you
Where
like
are you? What's your name?
Peace,
Peace.
Aman, Aman.
Where are you come from?
England.
England. Oh, nice to meet you.
Thank you, nice to meet you
My
too.
elder brother come in duty in England.
Huh?
My elder brother, younger brother,
Your younger brother is in England?
Yeah.
Where in England?
Manchester.
Manchester, nice.
They recite Holy Quran. So keep quiet.
Okay. They are reciting from the Holy Quran here now for the workers. All right, they are done with the prayers. Nice. They do it probably daily here, all the workers together.
They do it daily for the safety of
the train, safety of the road. Thank you. Shukriya. Shukriya. Okay, where's the drink? We have to go. We are waiting for a drink to come a long time. Okay, finally they brought Sting. This is one of the most famous drinks here in Pakistan lately. It's a so-called energy drink. And these guys ordered some watermelon shake.
750, give them 750.
I'll give them 750, but let me first open it and drink. It's way too sweet, but it's very good actually. I don't know how much energy this gives. One thing is for sure, it gives you a lot of sugar. Okay, I think we should move on. Assalamu alaikum everyone. आपका क्या नाम?
रश बड़ा सी यार.
So what's going? Where are you going? Where are you traveling to?
Going to Hyderabad.
Huh?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad? Hyderabad.
Hyderabad is also near Karachi.
Ah, nice, acha. What you do? You work or you study?
क्या करते हैं? Policeman.
You're a policeman?
Yes.
Ah, where?
अंग्रेज आया है. दाल करामात. मीरपुर क्रॉस.
Purkhas?
मैं क्या अंग्रेज आया है.
Mir Purkhas is also a city?
इंटरव्यू लैंड या सारी.
Acha. So what do you say about the train? Good train? बहुत अच्छा? Yeah, even as a बहुत गर्मी? बहुत गर्मी is okay?
क्या के नो ऐसी लवाने हैं
हाँ?
क्या के ऐसी लवाने हैं
Just say.
He's saying I will bring AC here.
We're actually disturbing this guy is on the phone. He doesn't care. What do you do in your free time? You're a policeman. What do you do in your free time?
Where time we got?
बन्नी करते हैं
Bunny karte.
अपनी जिम्मेदारी है
Okay. He is also a farmer in.
Farmer.
Yeah, he will.
Okay,
he
you
will
married?
take care-
Married?
नहीं मैरिड
नहीं married? कितने साल के हो?
कितने साल के?
मैं 25 साल का
25?
25 years.
25, very young.
Yeah.
Very young man. Ah. Your farm. Ah, nice. Your farm.
असली वाली वहाँ इनको पहुँचा
Nice. So, what do you like about Pakistan most?
Music तरह बंद कर दीजिएगा ये जो वीडियो जो पढ़ाया जाना music.
He said, I like ladies.
You like ladies? Which one? Which one?
और भी ਉਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੀ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ
Ah, which one? What you say? Tell me.
He is saying I came to Lahore for the ladies.
Lahore ladies? Why Lahore ladies good? Acha. Lahore ladies?
अरे लाहौर की लड़कियों में क्या खास बात है जो?
हाँ.
मां की बढ़िया कर ले गल ही ना कर कसम
हाँ. सूरत है?
ओह
Oh.
सूरत सारा कुछ
हाँ.
He's saying everyone is beautiful in Lahore.
Everyone beautiful in Lahore. Ah. So, why you not find one?
क्या लब्बी क्यों नहीं फिर कोई?
वो ब्याह थोड़ी करना आया मैं
I'm not here for marriage. I am here for just enjoy.
Yeah, not for marriage. Why you not find not for marriage to enjoy?
बाहर जाना
You found a lot of girls in Lahore? Friends? You make a lot of
काफी को
friends?
दोस्त बनाइयां लाहौर दे ਵਿੱਚ.
20 आए
20.
20 girls you had in Lahore? Nee.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ 5 ਖੱਟੜੇ ਵੀ ਆ
What do you say? What do you say?
ਕਿੰਨਰ
Ah.
Female. He has 20 girls and 5 females.
Oh, you like she-men? You like she-men? You अच्छा लगे she-men? Why? Isn't that good? Tingy. They have tingy.
वो फोटो होगा फोटो
You gotta show me a photo. It's you, yeah? Oh, it's she-men? Yeah. Not good, अच्छा.
He say I don't care if he's a man, if he's
You
a
don't
girl.
care. But down there is a tingy. Down there is a tingy.
मतलब ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ
Tingy.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਲੇਟ ਕਰਾਂ
Ah.
ਦੱਸ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ
ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਛਾਵਾਂ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ
ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਜੋ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ
ਉਹ ਦੇ ਸਿੰਘ
ਸੀਜ਼ਰ
What, the operation?
Operation.
No. Ah. No operation.
He's saying bet with me I will show you a female with a
No money. They have no
ਇਹਨੂੰ
money.
ਕਹਿ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ਰਟ
They're
ਲਾਣਾ
poor.
ਫੋਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖ ਲੈ
He's saying that
ਲਾਹੌਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ
yeah वापस लौट जाना
मैं तो-
He's
हाँ.
saying you are gonna go back to Lahore right I will arrange some female with broken
Without the thingy.
yeah
Oh my God. You sure? You are. Wait. Dire. You are. You were in bed with them? You were in bed with the Shimel?
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ
Ask him.
ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਸ਼ੀਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗੁਜ਼ਰਿਆ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ yeah very
Yeah?
confidently yeah
Where? Hotel?
hotel farm house in farm
In farmhouse?
dancer है वो बहुत बड़े dancer है
Huh?
Female dancer.
In farmhouse?
yeah
Well, with the cows.
no Pakistan have two type of farm house. One is for just for resting, enjoying nature and stuff like that. I think he enjoy more than nature there.
Oh, I see. He's a wild policeman. Hey, you policeman. How they didn't fire you from your job? Is she man? हाँ बहुत अच्छा बहुत अच्छा It's बहुत अच्छा but wait you look like a cowboy you know why you need female why you need the why क्यों female नहीं female
Sir, I like everything.
you like everything that moves okay what about sheep you know you are wild policeman wild policeman
He's saying you take me with you, I will provide you so many girls.
ah really
Yeah.
why is there so many female in Pakistan
अरे नहीं फीमेल क्यों है इन्हें खुसरा क्यों है
what do you say what do you say
He is speaking so.
let him speak the way he did I need to know, have translation
In Pakistan, Jat people lives here.
who
Jat people.
What
Jat
is
is
Jat?
a different caste, and they are very like they can't control themselves. When the girls don't give them lift, like don't show them in interest, then they go to the shemales. That's why we have a shemale business here.
yes because I think it's also part maybe because there's so much restriction between men and women so men go for just the female are not available they're not you know, like in the West
Yeah, they are not available
so
for marriage.
yeah so before marriage so they have no choice they go for females
Without marriage, you can't do anything.
Yeah, you
but
can't do
these
anything.
type of guys are doing anything.
Right.
It's not true. We can't say about it. Most of the people do it before marriage.
yes so you don't have a friend like a permanent friend why don't have a permanent girlfriend
पक्की गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं रखी सारी He is saying today's era is not to take someone seriously.
right
Just enjoy her.
so you don't want to get married
शादी करना चाहते हैं?
बाहरों करेगा
He's gonna marry somewhere from some foreigner.
the police you work in they know about all your good things you're doing
पुलिस वाले ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵਾ ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. He's saying after uploading this video we might get arrested.
No, you're not get arrested. Nobody will know. If they get arrested, you tell them you bring out all the stories about the other police.
ਵੇਖੀਆਂ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਵੇਖ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨੀਆਂ
This is a gun.
Yeah, it's policeman.
Machine is also police. You're also police.
no police
Police or just a machine gun?
डाल दे
He's not police. He's not police. He's just you have a machine gun, yeah. And you show me card, police card.
ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਤਾਂ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਵਾਲੀ ਆ
Show me
Police car.
कार्ड दिखा
card.
ਕਾਰਡ
Card. Police ID. Police ID. Police ID.
Upload करनी है मेरा upload करनी है.
और नहीं तो बाद में कहानियां बह
ਉੱਥੇ ਭੈਣ
जाएंगी
ਚੋਦ
Oh, please no show identity
What?
card because police not allowed.
Ah. Okay. So show me that you. Oh, this one. Show me.
Can you see
ਪੁਲਿਸ ਵਾਲੀ
the card?
Nice. Let me see.
ਲੱਭ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਇੱਥੇ
ਸਾਰੇ ਸਬੂਤ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ
Nice. Nice. He is a policeman actually. No joke. Acha, but you are white here.
ਮੈਂ ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਝੂਠ ਹੀ ਹੋ
Ah.
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੁੜੀ
He's
ਕੁੜੀ
saying
ਨਹੀਂ
all the things I said to you and I am is a lie.
All is a lie. This also.
Yeah.
You're not police.
He's like he don't show his real self to everyone.
Ah. So you are police or no?
He's a police.
He's a police. So now he's trying to say that everything he said until now is lie.
Yeah, even his skin color is a lie.
Even his skin color is a lie.
He might be some secret agent or something.
Yeah.
ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ
Yeah.
ਕਲਰ ਤੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਇੱਥੇ
But the videos prove different.
ਚਾਰ ਦਫਾ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦਾ 1 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਚ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ
Ah.
He's saying in 1 month I travel 4 times to Lahore in this type of environment.
ਪਿਛਲੇ ਚੱਕਰ ਆਇਆ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਸਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ
The temperature of Lahore done this to me.
Ah, the temperature of Lahore made him colorful. Well, interesting. We are enjoying the group of guys here on the very hot train. The heat is coming in from the window here. It's terrible, but well, this is being said. We are going to experience the local transportation, and this is one of them. Guys, it was nice meeting you all. Absent milk and khushi hui.
Thank you.
He's saying I don't want to leave you.
No, you don't. I'm not a she-man. I'm not a she-man. I'm a she-man. Okay. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz. Shukriya. Absent milk and khushi hui.
ਰਾਜਾ ਇਦਾਂ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਸਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਸੀਗਾ
Find your she-man very quickly because otherwise I'm not ready.
ਰਾਜਾ
Don't like
ਹੋਰ ਤੇਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਯਾਰ
Sorry. Maaf karo.
चलिए आप अपनी जगह पे
Okay, we still need to sleep.
Okay, you watch.
ओए
Okay, you heard the bag. Hey.
You pick the bag.
Hey. Yeah. Bye-bye. All right, we're going down. We are stopping very soon. Okay, let's go.
Alright.
Give me a drink.
How's your leg?
Oh, good. Give me a drink.
Sit here.
Give me pani. Give me pani.
Shoot कर रहा था. Shoot. How's your leg? Is it something?
Go bring water quickly.
Okay, I will. You go. This side.
go to upside.
My mic is down there somewhere.
Oh my. Wait. Stay. इतनी चोट नहीं है थोड़ी
और
रगड़ है हाँ
और नहीं
आयोडीन ला देगा ना
थोड़ी तसल्ली दे
थोड़ा सा रगड़ है ज़्यादा ओ इंग्लिश चिन पता नहीं
नॉट
Quick, tell him to
ज़्यादा
run.
डैमेज नहीं है ओ आ गया पानी
हाँ इसका ध्यान रखिए मैं आता हूँ आ जाए डॉक्टर वो क्या रहा है कि वो रगड़ नहीं डॉक्टर इसने कहा है कि एक दफा डॉक्टर को बुला लो
कितना पट्टी का
I'm not good.
what is
I'm going to faint or something. Quickly,
Where?
quickly everywhere.
Not on everywhere. Stink at the beginning, and then it will. It's done.
find the mic
Found?
found
You found?
yes
I don't believe this. You're an angel, man. Where you found it?
In the tracks.
Wow. Okay guys, I'm currently in the hospital in Lahore, Pakistan. Guys, I was trying to be over smart, as we say, a smart ass, and I paid for it. So please don't be stupid ever and don't do stupid things. But it did an X-ray on my knee because my knee, I fell seriously and my knee hurts very much. I also have this in here. But thank God I miraculously I have I stayed alive, okay? Basically, I'm not even telling you the story what was, but whatever. I fell out from a train. It's not funny. Okay, guys? So remember, as my father always says, don't be sorry, don't do it.